Today I'm going to show you how to take a placemat and turn it into a fabulous pillow. You know, sometimes you just can't find the pillow you're looking for. Well, you can take a placemat and make your beautiful pillow without sewing. Before we get started, if you will do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and review all of my videos and like them, and let's get a conversation started about DIY and what do you want to see next. But thanks for stopping by Casa by Vicki Sykes. I'm super excited to show you how to get this DIY pillow started, and here we go. Here are all of the products that you will need for this project. I have 2 placemats because I'm only doing one pillow. If you're going to do more, you of course would need more than that, but I'm only doing one, so I needed 2 placemats. I also have fiber fill and glue sticks and a glue gun, so it's a really easy and quick project. One of the first things I did was to make sure I went over and I took all of the stickers off of the placemats. I also went around and made sure that I took all of the strings, any that were hanging, I clipped all of them off. So make sure you do all of that before you get started. Okay, now we're ready to put our glue on the edges of the placemats, and you want to make sure you leave about 3 or 4 inches at the top open so that you are able to fill the placemats with the fiber fill. So make sure you leave enough room so that you can get your hand in and get a good amount of the fiber fill into the placemats once they have been glued together. As you can see here, I simply went around the edges of the placemats, not for it to overlap, but fairly close to the edges. And I went all the way around, as I stated before, not quite to the top, so that I would have room left to put the polyfill into the pillow. Once I was done with the glue on one of the placemats, I then placed the other placemat on top of it, and I slowly secured the edge of the placemat. Make sure when you're placing the placemat on top of your bottom placemat that you get it really smooth. No bumps in your top or bottom placemat, and just begin to secure it on the edges. Also, make sure that you go around and take any loose strings of glue or any strings that you did not get prior to gluing the placemats together. Make sure that you clean all of that up, because you don't want any edges or strings hanging from your pillow. So I went back and I glued the top portion of the placemats so that I could leave the little few inches undone, as I stated before, so that I could get my polyfill in. But I did go back and glue the top of the placemat. The placemats have dried and are together securely. So now I'm going to add the fill into the placemats. As you can see here, I just took some of the fill and began adding it to the placemats, and I did this until I got the shape that I wanted. Okay, so once I finished putting the fill in the placemats and I got the shape that I wanted, I pulled the ends of the placemats together, and I just took some straight pins to hold one end together while I glued the other end, and I did that for both sides so that while I was gluing it, it would not come apart. Here we are. The mats are now a pillow. This project was $10, and so this is a great way to have a personalized pillow for a specific look that you're going for without spending a lot of money. So here you see the pillow on my porch. I think it came out really well. It was a way to add some color for a specific look. I couldn't find the exact pillow that I wanted, and it's great for the summer. It's bright and cheery, and I think it looks fabulous. Thanks again for stopping by Casa by Vicki Sykes, where beauty and style live. Please again make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications for my YouTube channel. Until next time, I hope your day is filled with joy, peace, and most of all, love. Bye-bye.